Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to day 4 of 21 days to good hair. Thank you for such a positive feedback on the 3 recipes that I've shared with you so far. You guys are sending me your stories, your comments that it's working out for you, and this makes me really happy. Well, today's ingredient is going to make you more happy because I cannot just begin to tell you the benefits of this ingredient. This ingredient makes you cry, but I'll be very honest, it will make you go all smiles because this ingredient is a legit recipe, an ingredient for hair growth. Can you guess what this is? So our supernatural ingredient for today is onion, which is our good old pyaz. And I can only say that in every article or video and every research that I've done, it is a legit and known ingredient that promotes hair growth. So starting with its list of benefits, it has sulfur, which produces collagen, which is great for hair growth. It makes your hair thick. It has antioxidant properties that helps in premature aging. It has antibacterial properties that works on your dandruff, and onion helps take all that blood circulation up to your head, which just makes your follicles go all over the place and start the regrowth process. So without any delay, let's get on to the procedure. We're going to make an oil, and trust me, it doesn't stink, your hair won't stink, and it doesn't burn your eye. It is fantastic. So let's get on to it. Well, just 3 ingredients today. We of course have our onions, which will be peeled and cut into smaller pieces. We have taken 4 spoons of coconut oil and 4 spoons of olive oil. You can take oil from any brand. They will now go in a pan. So guys, I'm back after my wash and my hair feels super shiny and fluffy and voluminous. I can totally feel it. And see, this oil is an amazing oil, so I would totally recommend you guys to make a little bit extra so that you can apply it at least twice or thrice in a week. Also, I felt over these days that giving too much gap between ingredients might not be a great idea. So try doing 2 ingredients in a week, or just make a little bit of extra so that you can repeat the same ingredient in 1 week. So this is great. I will totally recommend you guys. The comb test has been amazing. There is of course a very prominent decrease in the amount of hair you see in the comb test. So yeah, that is there. So I hope you guys try this. Do tell it to your friends. Make it a little extra for your sister or your mom or for your friend, and you can do it together. So guys, this was day 4. See you guys on day 5 very soon. Bye guys.